I'm intrigued. Sa panahon kayang ito, umiiyak pa rin kaya si Kim Chiu, si Catherine Bernardo at si Sara Labati? Bago natin puntahan yan, quick facts muna tayo. Ngayong taon ng 2023, napakarami pong mga napabalita na naghiwalay. At ilan sa mga yan ay yung ating mga women celebrities na nabanggit at nagkaroon din naman ng mga confirmation. Yung 13 years relationship ni Kim Chiu at ni Zian Lim natapos na bago magpasko. And then last November, si Katniel naman, una nag-post na si Catherine to end yung napakaraming nagsisirculate na mga issues tungkol sa kanilang relasyon. At nagbigay din naman ng mensahe si Daniel kay Catherine. And then, ang pinakaunang isa sa mga maingay na napabalita na hiwalayan ay ang mag-asawang si Sara Labati at si Richard Gutierrez. Ang tanong, ito bang ating mga main characters in the names of Kim Chiu, si Catherine Bernardo at si Sara Labati, are they still crying? Umiiyak pa rin kaya sila sa panahon na ito? Ang totoo niyan, I must say na there's a big chance that they are still grieving and crying over their ended relationship. Bakit? Kasi nga po, tayong mga tao, hindi lang yung mga celebrities, lahat po tayo, might take between 3 months to a few years para makapag-fully moved on. And crying is part of moving on. It doesn't mean though na you're bitter or you still want to be in that relationship, but rather, marami po tayong mga naaalala na mga memories of being together, minsan mapait, minsan ay it's just part of really letting go. Ngayon, etong ating 3 main celebrities, I'd like to know yung kanilang stage as of the moment. Where are they at? Kung ano ba ang pinapakita nila sa ating mga netizen. All I could say is, they are all empowered women. Bakit natin masasabing empowered sila? Una na dyan, yung kanilang pagbabago ng kanilang look. So, mga new look. Like, lately, napabalita at nakita natin ang orange hair ni Catherine Bernardo, ang blonde and short hair naman ni Sara Labati. Nangyari yan itong last quarter lang. And then, hindi natin alam kasi lately lang din yung confirmation ni Kim Chiu about yung breakup nila. Pero as early as May of 2023, ay may new look na siyang ipinakita sa atin. But you know, cutting your hair could also symbolize embracing the new you. It's a new chapter that you are going through in your life. And we've seen that from them. Kaya nakakatuwa at yung iba nga gustong gayahin yung kanilang mga bagong hairstyle. That's also another way of showing empowerment in a way na I'm letting go of the past. I'm cutting whatever happened in the past and now ready na sila humarap sa future nila. And lately nakikita din naman natin na yung kanilang empowerment goes beyond their hairstyles. Like si Sara, she's getting a lot of her jobs back. Kasama na dyan ng modeling and acting. Si Kim, meron siyang bagong teleserye na gagawin. Si Catherine naman, nakita natin marami na rin siyang mga solo na projects na ginawa. And at the same time, marami ding business si Catherine. Yun din yung isa sa maganda kay Catherine because as we all know, she's an entrepreneur, she's a businesswoman, marami din siyang pinagkakaabalahan. So bukod sa kanilang mga relationships, marami din talagang nangyayari sa buhay nila. And that's what we love about them. Kasi nakikita natin na hindi lang sila yung luhaan. These girls, these ladies are really showing us na a chapter of their lives has ended, but their life doesn't end there. Ngayon, pare-pareho pa rin tayong mga nakaabang kung anong magiging latest development sa buhay ni Catherine, ni Kim, at ni Sara. But let's wish them well. Let's hope na although wala ang kanilang mga partners sa tabi nila, hindi pa rin naman natin alam kung sila ay magkakabalikan. But hopefully, who wants to be part of a broken family or to be separated from a decade-long relationship, right? But the thing is, as we see them growing, maturing in their roles, in their field of expertise, sana talaga ay tuloy-tuloy lang ang kanilang pagpapakita ng transformation dahil marami tayong nakatingin. That's their power over netizens eh, yung kanilang influence. Kung ano man yung ginagawa nila, maraming taong nakasubaybay. And I'd also like to add na yung mga authenticity na nakikita natin, they're showing their bad side of their relationships. Now we're seeing how they are transforming their lives as well. And so, for those of you who also wants to follow their footsteps, ang inyo pong lingkod ay nasa authenticity coaching. Kaya naman, ito po ang lagi nating topic, looking at the people, looking at their transformation, and embracing whatever hurdles and challenges that they are going through. Dahil lahat po ng mga nangyayari sa buhay natin, ang kailangan talaga natin ay maging totoo sa sarili natin para maharap natin yung ating mga pinagdadaanan ng mas maayos at mas magiging maganda yung resulta eventually. So that's Transform Media PH. Reach out to us and we hope to be of service to you. And with Kim, si Catherine at si Sarah, we wish you well. Ladies, you are doing really well and we are all supporting all of you. Maraming salamat!